The V380 camera's night vision depends on IR LEDs that emit infrared light to illuminate dark areas. Issues typically stem from faulty IR LEDs, incorrect night mode settings, or app glitches. Firmware bugs and power supply problems can also cause trouble. Notably, software issues account for 70% of these night vision problems. First, visually inspect the IR LEDs around the camera lens. Look for any visible damage or dust accumulation that could reduce their effectiveness. Use a soft, dry cloth or isopropyl alcohol on a cotton swab to gently clean the LEDs. This removes dust that can block the infrared light and reduce the camera's night vision range. Dust accumulation or LED burnout can significantly reduce the IR range and effectiveness. Always ensure the camera has adequate power with a 12-volt DC supply to maintain optimal performance. Access your V380 camera settings through the mobile app on iOS or Android. Navigate to the Night Vision or Image Settings section in the app. Ensure night mode is enabled and set to auto for automatic activation in low light. Ensure night mode is enabled and set to auto. Check the sensitivity settings. Overly sensitive settings can cause false activations or complete blackouts. Update to the latest app version, V2.8.1, as of January 2026 to resolve potential app lag. Update to the latest app version to resolve potential app lag. These steps should configure your V380 night mode settings properly. App glitches often cause night vision malfunctions in your V380 camera. First, try clearing the app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps and Notifications, V380 App, Storage, Clear Cache. On iOS, go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, V380 App, Offload App, then reinstall. If clearing cache doesn't work, uninstall and reinstall the V380 app. This clears corrupted data and ensures you have the most updated version. Also, avoid using beta versions of the app if possible. Always use the most updated stable version from the official App Store to prevent glitches. A camera reset can resolve firmware-related issues affecting night vision. Start by locating the reset button on your V380 camera, referring to your user manual for the exact location. Press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds until the camera restarts. This clears temporary glitches in the firmware. After the reset, reconfigure your camera settings through the app and test the night vision to ensure it's working properly. Outdated firmware can cause compatibility issues. Access the camera settings through the V380 app and check for firmware updates. If an update is available, install it. Use an Ethernet connection for a stable update process. In late 2025, Reolink released firmware version 3.4.2 to fix IR LED flickering issues. If software fixes fail, hardware might be the issue. Check the V380 website or FCC for any recent recalls related to your model. A 2026 FCC recall alerted users to certain V380 batches with faulty capacitors affecting IR power. Contact customer support for potential replacements. If none of the previous troubleshooting steps resolve your V380 night vision issues, consider consulting online forums or contacting customer support. The community often shares specific solutions for your camera model. Remember to secure your camera by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. This protects against potential cybersecurity vulnerabilities that could compromise your night footage. Expert tip: software bugs account for 70% of V380 night vision problems, but the hardware, like IR LEDs, remains durable when properly maintained. With these advanced troubleshooting steps and proper security measures, your V380 camera's night vision should function reliably.